Unbox the wooden crate. Please keep the wooden crate. Do not discard it. Assemble the printer stand. Place the base tray inside the stand and secure the fixing bars in place. Place the purifier on the base tray. Secure with screws. Detach the printer mounting brackets. Use a forklift to position the printer's main body on the base frame. Install the auto film take-up system. Plug in a take-up system. Using a pipe to connect the purifier and oven. Place a bucket inside the stand and insert one end of the oil tubes into the bucket. Install the ink supply system. Connect the copper wires together as labeled. Connect the ink filter to the ink bottle accordingly. Connect W2 to the reflux tube. Install the covers for ink supply system. Add ink as indicated on the label. Load the film roll and make sure print side up. Lift the pinch rollers manually. Pass the film through the pinch roller. Lower the pinch roller manually. Secure two sides of the film with media clips. Plug in the main power cable. Turn on the main switch. Plug in the printer cable and turn on the printer. Connect printer and computer with network cable. Plug in the dongle. Install the OtterPro RIP software. Use the syringe to draw ink through the ink damper until the damper is full of ink. Install the housing. Press cleaning and choose medium to clean printhead. Press the Enter button first, then place the printed film in the oven. Finally, press the suction and vacuum button. It's recommended not to change the default settings. We recommend adding 750 grams of DTF powder for the first use. Secure the printed film on the core with tape. Then, turn off suction system.